back to my channel. Right now you are watching new video of hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and category and facilities also. As we understand hotel location and understand why locations and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and reviews online that are given by guest rooms or guests. Its review rating is 10.0, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold a room prior to arrival. And offers are available online for this hotel, along with various plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. Booking or more details below the link in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already checked out from this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel, then subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.